A very good morning to all of you. Before starting with this particular introduction of the book South Asian Culture Studies, a bibliography, we shall try to understand who the author is. We shall get introduced with Vinay Lal, the author of the book, but we are not going to read entire book. Of course, the book contains only the introduction, and there is a bibliography list of works in cultural studies. The copy is ordered for the college library as well. I have my own personal copy of this book. Now we shall go ahead with the author's introduction. So you can see the picture of Vinay Lal, who was born in the year 1961 in Delhi, and he was educated at John Hopkins University for his BA and MA. Then he did his PhD from the University of Chicago, and he is an author and professor. And he is well known for his Oxford Anthology of the Modern Indian City. Basically, Vinay Lal is a historian of India. He is a professor of history and Asian American studies at the Center for Cultural Studies at the University of Chicago. He writes widely on the history and culture of colonial and modern India. So he writes actually on the history and culture of colonial and modern India. He also writes on popular and public culture in India, cinema, historiography, the politics of world history, the Indian diaspora, global politics, contemporary American politics, the life and thought of Mohandas Gandhi, Hinduism, and the politics of knowledge systems. So these are the areas that he uh, writes on. Further, he is known for his radical political views. He has got radical political views, and for making his history lectures available for free on his YouTube channel. So you can visit his YouTube channel for his lectures on history. We already come to know that he was born in Delhi in the year 1961. His father was an Indian Foreign Service Officer, IFS, and due to his father's constant movement because of transfer, because of his diplomatic career, Lal grew up in Delhi, Tokyo, we say, Jakarta, and Washington, D.C. So he grew up internationally. And in Delhi, he attended Springdale School. He spent 4 years in Tokyo from the year 1965 to 69. But he does not have no memory of those years. And it is not until 1987 that he returned to Japan for a short visit, followed by a lengthier stay of 4 months in Osaka. In the year 1999, when he was a fellow of the Japan Society for the Promotion of Science at the National Museum of Anthropology. So he spent time in Japan during the time period 1965 to 69, but he doesn't remember much about those 4 years. But later, he revisited Japan for as a student, university student, and as a scholar. He earned his BA and MA both in the year 1982 from the Humanities Center at the John Hopkins University, and wrote his master's thesis. Actually, in the foreign universities, just like PhD, you will have to you're supposed to write a master's thesis. Thesis is a kind of research report, but PhD thesis. So it's a kind of PhD only. Doing MA over there is a kind of doing PhD. So he wrote his thesis on Ralph Waldo Emerson, RW Emerson, and Indian philosophy. Then he studied cinema in Australia, uh, and India on Thomas J. Watson's fellowship. It was a kind of fellowship. He got the fellowship, and by using this fellowship, he studied cinema in Australia and India before commencing his graduate studies at the University of Chicago, where he was awarded a PhD with distinction from the Department of South Asian Languages and Civilizations in the year 1992. Further, Mr. Lal was Professor Lal was a William Kennan Fellow. Fellow means, this is a kind of scholarship that he received for doing his studies in the Society of Fellows in the Humanities at Columbia University between 1992 to 93, and since 1993 he has been on the Faculty of History at the University of California, Los Angeles. So that is UCLA, University of California. I'm sorry, not Chicago. Where he also holds a joint appointment in Asian American Studies. And these are some of the books that he's well known for. I will not go through all the titles of the book, but you can go through it as per your disposal, as per your convenience. We are going to study an introductory part of the book South Asian Culture Studies, a bibliography, which was published in the year 1996 by Manor Books Publication. This book, South Asian Culture Studies, is a bibliographic guide to some of the literature in South Asian culture studies. Now, what is a bibliography? Bibliography is a list of books, reference books that one can use to explore a given area. For example, when you do your PhD, when you write your research paper, you give references. So references is a small list, and bibliography is an extensive list of references that have been used, that have been consulted to write a research report. And if you want to get an idea related to the list of books that have been referred, that have been used in cultural studies, you will have to go through the book by Vinay Lal. And this essay, there is only one essay. This essay, besides highlighting some of the more prominent aspects of cultural studies, asks whether the counters of South Asian counters of South Asian culture studies must necessarily be those of culture studies as it is known in the West. So he raises this question whether one should have the same kind of domains of culture studies as they have in the West, in the Britain, in other European countries, in America, in Australia, etc. So he adopts this stand. We shall understand this particular essay in detail in the next part of our discussion.